Hey guys, Jimmy from the Sea Disney team, the Spanish version of the Disc with...
I'm Federico.
And today we are so excited because we are on board the Disney Adventure for its maiden voyage. And we're going to be showing you a room tour of the stateroom we're staying at. It's a
Deluxe Oceanview Stateroom with Veranda. It's a category 6C, as in California.
And it's themed after the Lion King. So my favorite movie, if you wanted to know.
They don't.
No, I know.
No one does. But we're going to be showing you a room tour of this beautiful stateroom with all the details. Before we begin, we have to remind you that everything that you see here on this channel is brought to you by Dreams Unlimited Travel. I'm one of the agents, but we have a great team of agents who are going to help you with all the details of planning your perfect Disney vacation, no additional cost. We're gonna leave you the link in the description so you can contact us and start planning your perfect trip to one of these beautiful ships.
Exactly.
Okay, so the room we are staying in is the 11392, and good detail that I found here different from the other ships is that you can find the location of the room, which is super useful. And one thing that I think is new on this Disney Adventure cruise ship that I didn't, well, they don't have it in any other, and I'm sorry if my English is not the best one, is because it's not. So the first thing that you're gonna find is this switch that says room occupied or service room please, and when you switch this and you see outside, so when the room is occupied it's going to be red, and when you want the room to be cleaned or get ready for the night, you just turn it on and it's going to be green. So the stateroom host is going to know if you want the room or if you just want privacy, which is really cool. So as I said, this is a Deluxe Oceanview Stateroom with Veranda. The size is exactly the same as you will find in any other Disney cruise ships in category 6C, which is around 250 square feet. Is that how you say it in English?
Yeah.
We use a different size.
Metric.
Yeah, we use metric, so it's complicated for us. And Jimmy said it's themed after the Lion King, and look how pretty.
Yep, we have Pride Rock, as you can see.
Yeah, and they have some details, like gold details on the painting. Very beautiful, very well done. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but they did a great job with the artwork. And the room has a queen size bed. Same details of other ships. You're gonna see the bedding is exactly the same, but just says Disney Adventure. It's right on. It's a new bed, so first time doing this. So let's go back and see the closet, which was a very important part of my life. No, but it's open, as you can see. It doesn't have, well, it has a door for the, I don't know how you say
the cabinet.
The cabinet. And then a lot of place to, hang your shirts or your pants. And the same thing that you're gonna find in every other Disney ships, you have a split bathroom. So in one, you'll see the toilet. I love this detail that resemble, well, it's not marble, but it resemble marble.
So it's plastic,
but looks luxurious.
Yep.
I love it. And you have the same product, which is great. Ooh.
Oh, you have light.
This is a very Asian technology that my Colombian
but
is not used to. And here you go inside.
Okay, here we have
the shower.
The shower. It's not a bathtub, as you can see. It's a shower, standing shower.
Let me get inside so you can see how big.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you here. And
let's see.
Let's see.
Because we don't want you to get wet. So yeah, it's pretty big. I mean,
Yep.
Yeah.
Let me do a.
maybe not for two people, but we don't want two people in here. But yeah, this is a new ship, so everything is new, it's clean, it's perfect. We have, I think I have done 20 something cruises, and this was the first time that our host came in. I have done several maiden voyage in, I think, the Destiny, the Treasure, and the Wish. This is the first time that our host came to the room, and she said, can I please come in because I want to show you things that are different from other ships and some details that I want you to understand. So I think that was very nice that she did that in order for us to, to see how different this stateroom may be. For example, right here is the safe with the instructions. We have the mini bar, or how do you call that? Yeah,
The fridge, the mini fridge.
And this is something that other ships don't have, which is a coffee maker. So you can use this to boil water, and they're gonna give you some coffee. Very beautiful. I don't know if they're good or not because we haven't tried it, but look how pretty the package is. And they have the normal one and also a decaf, I think, that says I love Paris because we're in Singapore.
Oh, it's
so
flavor.
It makes sense.
It's just like it has
Yeah, it's a flavor. Yeah, happy. Jandula. Yeah, I don't know what that is.
And
but
I love Paris.
It's pretty. And the things that you will find in a hotel room, which is again different from Disney cruise ships. And you have tea, 3 different kinds of tea, and very beautiful. Look how pretty this is.
Can we check it home?
No, we can't. Some glasses, and then the assembly information, which is also something that we have to do now. So
Master drill.
and since this is the maiden voyage, we have some pretty things to take pictures with. But yeah, the bed is good. I think it's we have the same luggage space down the bed,
See.
which is great for having your best use of space.
You want to go down there?
No, I'm good, thank you.
You're good.
Then we have a picture of the Lion King
Yeah.
with Mufasa.
A
and
concept
Simba.
art sketch.
This is a single sofa, and again, the host was, she was worried that we have everything that we need. So she was asking, do we need more pillows? Or she was great
Blankets.
with that.
Yeah.
Something that is again different from other ships. We have this coffee table that you can store or put away, or
Oh, fancy.
really. I mean, I think it's smart use of space.
Yeah.
But this is very different. I never
Yeah,
seen a
look at
TV
that TV.
this big
On a
It's-
ship?
it's
Wow.
huge. And it's not located
In front of the bed.
In other ships, they have it in front of the main bed. They have it here in the space, which is good, but it's enormous.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we have some, goods. I'm Platinum Castaway Club, so we have the regular. This is not part of it. Things that you get, including the lanyards. Is that how you call that?
Yeah.
A
Look,
mini
it
fan.
says inaugural sailing.
Let's open it.
Let's see it.
'Cause this is the most exciting thing. We have a fan.
Hey, we have one fan.
We have one fan.
Yeah, someone
It
loves
is you
us.
watching us.
No.
Thank you. The engineer is like, no.
I hope so.
But yeah, this is something new. I never seen this before.
Yeah.
Very useful in Singapore weather and also Florida weather.
Yeah.
So I'm not gonna. Oh yeah, it's got like this, and you can charge it
Oh, fancy.
to take pictures. Oh, now I don't know how to turn it off. Maybe they're gonna. Oh no, it says Disney Adventure, so it's new for this ship. I don't know what this is. Let's open it. I think it's
Oh, it's a bottle. Ooh.
Very nice. Mickey. It says Castaway Club. And this is, yeah, I'm gonna be taking this.
Let me check there.
Disney Adventure.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice. The lanyards, and something that I love this. I use them all the time when I'm home. This is the bag. Again, a very different design. I'm not sure if this is just for the Maiden inaugural season, the Maiden voyage, but it's beautiful. Yeah, it says inaugural sailings. Inaugural
Inaugural
You
sailing.
can correct me in the comments. I don't know. Disney Adventure and.
Oh, it's very nice.
Yeah, very different.
Yeah.
Very, yeah, like.
We're gonna have to fight for that.
We're
No,
gonna-
no, we're doing it back to
so-
back, so we should be getting another
These
one.
are other presents that we got. Again, I think this is for. It says, "Welcome aboard. Please accept these commemorative glasses and gifts in your stateroom from Disney Cruise Line to celebrate the Maiden voyage."
Oh.
Passport holder. Wow.
Ooh.
I love this.
Yeah.
I
Yep.
love it.
That's a great gift.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And then some glasses.
Some miniature glasses.
And I don't know what this is. Let's open it.
Very nice too.
Ooh.
I think
I'm
that.
so happy.
Yeah, I feel like a kid on Christmas Day.
Yeah. You always get excited when you get free stuff.
Yeah.
We know, it's part of the. Oh.
What is it?
I think it's to put on the door because it's like magnet.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, maybe to put like a picture on it, so you can put like a picture here,
Mm-hmm.
and and these are other magnets. So yeah, those are the perks for booking a Maiden voyage, which you still can do because Disney Cruise Line is growing the fleet. So there's still many other. Wow, look how pretty
very
this
nice.
is.
Yeah.
All the
Oh.
very, very nice. So yeah, this is it. And let's see the beautiful
Balcony.
Veranda. Of course, this ship has different categories than other Disney ships. For example, they do have veranda staterooms that don't overlook the ocean. They
Mhm.
look to the inside garden,
Yeah.
which is good if you want to like see and they're cheaper as well.
Yeah, and before we go out, I think there's a hair dryer here that she
Yeah,
said.
it's right here.
There. Just so you know that you're gonna find.
Oh my god! I don't know how to turn it off.
And you have storage
Yes.
room here.
And then again, this is the hardest thing to open all the time.
Whoop.
Look the beautiful view of Singapore, which is one of the most beautiful cities I have ever been on a Disney cruise ship. And yeah, beautiful view. And this is the terminal, the cruise terminal.
Yeah.
And we have another cruise.
And you have two chairs here and a table. Very nice. A very nice space to relax.
And I think that's it.
I think it is.
So book it and come to
Now.
Singapore. because
Go
you're gonna
now.
love it. And we're gonna be doing a tour of the ship, showing you different areas because this one has 7 different theme areas.
Mhm.
So we're gonna be showing you that in a different video. So follow, subscribe, and
Yeah, and follow us on Instagram.
Yes.
We've been sharing stuff since we got on board. So, yeah, it's the.the.dis.
exactly.
And in Spanish, if you want to follow us,
In Spanish is, if you know Spanish, it's not as fun because we don't make so many mistakes with the pronunciation, but we try to do it fun as well. So the Spanish is See Disney, which is like, yes, Disney. So si.disney and all social media. So I hope you like this. I loved it. I
Mhm,
think it's
me
one of
too.
the best veranda staterooms that I have seen in the Disney Cruise Line. And there's so much to see around the Disney Adventure because it's a massive ship. It is the biggest one that Disney Cruise Line has. So there's a lot to discover, and we're gonna be showing you and sharing it with you. If we make mistakes with the pronunciation, please don't be mean. Not because we're gonna be sad about it, but we don't want mean comments. No one does. So thank you.